Welcome back to Cards of Destiny, and we were speaking to Mrs. Hussain. She's still there with us on the line, and let's see what we have to talk to her. Mrs. Hussain, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, welcome back.
Yeah, that's it. If it's nothing, a major problem, and we will carry on. I do, tell him everything. He's the one who hides.
Correct. As I told you in break as well, that men don't want to share a couple of things, with women, and especially their better halves, because they feel that sharing with them would make them more tensed. And we ladies have this tendency of getting worried every second moment.
Yes.
If somebody says something and you just want to keep on, reminding it again and again. So there are men, but I guess, as I told you, that I feel that he's planning to move around, move to hometown or anywhere, which is the cards are saying again that there is a special change coming in within, I would say, another 3 months of your life.
Okay.
And I guess, Mrs. Hussain, that you must speak to him. If he's going through any tension or anything which is, which is hampering him somewhere in the line, you must in fact share it with him that, look, because I feel that this man will have a word with you. Your husband will speak to you. He will try and, speak to you in case that's only with effect to when you speak to him. When you try and understand him.
I was just worried in case it's something else, and that means I don't have to worry about anything else. It's just a couple of tensions only.
That's the only tension which he has.
All right.
And as I said, maybe somewhere in overseas he's planning to move ahead or something, or from one place to another place.
I hope he takes me with him.
He will. Why not? I can see a nice, a nice couple going around together.
Yeah. We are nice couples, but I don't know what's wrong with us.
No, I guess there's nothing. It's just a mental stress or mental tension, which I guess you must speak to him, and I'm sure he'll speak to you, and I'll be really happy to know that then.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for calling. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.
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 Yeah, that was Mrs. Hussain for Birmingham. So let's see who's the next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Reena.
Huh?
Hello. How are you? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah. Tell me.
आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं?
हाँ, हिंदी, गुजराती, मराठी नहीं आता है.
गुजराती भी बोलो છો. I want to ask about my daughter. My daughter માટે પૂછવું છે.
हाँ, શું પૂછવું છે તમને?
એના વેડિંગ માટે शादी कब होएगी?
ओके, शादी कब होएगी? तो रीना जी आप 1 to 79 कोई भी एक कार्ड चूज कीजिए.
27.
Oh, that's nice. 3, 4, 5, 6. 27, and this is your card, Reena ji. Let's see what is the future saying.
मेरी डॉटर के बारे में पूछना है कि शादी कब होगी.
Yeah, sure. आपकी डॉटर आपके साथ अभी यहाँ पे है?
हाँ.
ओके. आप मतलब आप लंदन नॉटिंघम रहते हो, राइट?
या.
तो आप वहाँ से दूर कहीं देख रहे हो उसका रिश्ता कि वहीं पे देख रहे हो?
नहीं, मैंने उसके ऊपर छोड़ दिया है कि तू अपने आप को बोलती है मैं ढूंढूंगी.
हाँ, तो वो ढूंढ के आपको बता देगी कि कहाँ है वो लड़का, बिकॉज आई डोंट सी दैट गाय समवेयर क्लोज टू योर योर प्लेस वेयर यू आर स्टेइंग.
अच्छा.
मुझे कहीं दूर का ही लड़का लग रहा है. प्लस आप उसका मतलब आप उनकी ज़रा भी फिक्र मत कीजिए, बिल्कुल नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल. शी विल सर्च बाय हर सेल्फ इटसेल्फ. मतलब वो खुद ही ढूंढ के लेके आएगी और फिर बताएगी मम्मी ये लड़का है, मुझे उससे शादी करनी है.
लेकिन मैं इसे सोच रही हूँ तो कि कब ऐसे इस साल के नेक्स्ट ईयर की कब होएगी?
मेरे हिसाब से 6 months.
अच्छा.
लेकिन मुझे फिर भी रीना जी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो लड़का यहाँ का नहीं रहेगा.
अच्छा.
He wouldn't be from your, and कोई चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड ही रहेगा उसका, कोई मतलब कोई दोस्त ही रहेगा जिससे आपकी बेटी पसंद करेगी.
शायद यूनी में बहुत फ्रेंड, ऐसे फ्रेंड तो उसके बहुत है.
हाँ, तो नहीं मुझे तो वही लग रहा है कि और मेरे हिसाब से तो 6 महीना भी मैंने शायद ज़्यादा बोला आपको.
अच्छा.
या मुझे लगता है बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगी इनफैक्ट.
क्योंकि मैं वरी करती हूँ कि
मत कीजिए आप वरी. मुझे तो कोई काज से ऐसा कोई वरी लगता ही नहीं कि जहाँ पे आपको वरी करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा मिले
और बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा. या मतलब बचपन का यू कैन से मतलब दोस्ती है उसका, जो मतलब उससे शादी करेगा प्लस यहाँ का नहीं रहेगा, उसको खुश रखेगा, मैच्योरिटी मतलब सही रहेगा इंसान, जो जिसमें सूद बूद समझ जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं,
हाँ।
वो सभी कुछ रहेगा उसमें। तो डोंट वरी, प्लीज डोंट वरी अबाउट योर डॉटर।
और उसका जॉब के लिए मुझे पूछना था।
हाँ जी, जॉब के लिए क्या पूछना है आपको?
कि उसका जॉब अच्छा रहेगा, अभी ढूंढ, शी इज लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, अभी कोई मिल जाएगा अच्छा जॉब?
श्योर। एंड शी इज लुकिंग इन यूके इटसेल्फ, राइट?
या शी इज वर्किंग इन नॉटिंघम एज अ मार्केटिंग। या
तो उसको वही मार्केटिंग के सेक्टर में ही चाहिए जॉब?
जो आई थिंक शी इज अभी ढूंढती रहती है, आई डोंट नो।
Okay. So can you please tell me one more card in between 1 to 79?
8, please.
8, yeah, sure. All right, this is your card. Can I ask you something?
Huh?
Is your daughter happy-go-lucky?
Yeah, very.
Okay.
बहुत lively है।
हाँ, yeah, that's what I mean. उसको पार्टी शार्टी मतलब she enjoys herself.
लेकिन वो लड़का ही मैंने बोला नहीं ढूंढती, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है, आउटगोइंग है।
नहीं, तभी तो वो नहीं ढूंढ रही है ना कि उसको जेल लगेगा शायद शादी।
I know.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो you don't worry about her and I'm sure she'll get a nice boy in her life.
अच्छा, thank you.
लेकिन मुझे जॉब पे ना पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शी इज नॉट स्टेडी इन अ जॉब। इज इट ट्रू?
Like marketing for car sales?
No, that's fine, but is she steady in her job? Steady in terms of कि वो एक ही जॉब पे वैसे टिकी रहती है, ऐसा कुछ है?
हाँ, एक ही जॉब है आज वो।
कितने टाइम से वो कर रही है वो जॉब?
उसने डिग्री की थी, लेकिन उस टाइम उसको जॉब नहीं मिलता था। लेकिन ये जॉब मेरे ख्याल में 2 years।
2 साल हो गए, ठीक है। बिकॉज इट सीम्स दैट शायद वो कहीं आउट स्टेशन भी जॉब का ट्राई कर रही है।
या इधर नॉटिंघम है ना, उधर नहीं रहना उसको।
हाँ, राइट। तो उसको ना वहीं पे जॉब मिलेगा। इस तरफ उसको जॉब नहीं मिलेगा मेरे हिसाब से, बिकॉज कांच भी वही बोल रहे हैं कि इस तरफ शायद बहुत मुश्किल है। वो यहाँ पे जॉब भी करेगी तो समवेयर ऑन द लाइन शी वोंट बी हैप्पी। मतलब शी इज ऑलवेज इन 2 minds, नो इट्स नॉट गुड, लेट मी चेंज, बट शी इज नॉट एबल टू चेंज बिकॉज देयर इज she can't see her future, her career in that particular stream that she is in.
Yes.
Yeah, so she'll go out station anywhere out of Nottingham, and then she'll have a successful life.
Okay.
Or maybe she may also travel somewhere, I would say overseas. Yeah, there are chances that she may look out for something much apart from one sector, one particular place. She may also look forward for something else. So you need not worry because there is change which is happening in another couple of months.
Okay.
Maybe she's already applied for certain jobs.
Yeah, she is applying lots of jobs.
But there'll be a reply very soon. Maybe in another 5 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, within 5 weeks she'll get a reply from that job.
Okay.
But just to make you sure that it won't be from this place, the place we are staying right now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Bye-bye. Bye. This was Mrs. Reena. She was so curious to know about her daughter. मैं हर एक मम्मी डैडी से बोलना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ आप इतने मत टेंशन में रहो कि मेरी बेटी या बेटा कब शादी करेगा, कभी नहीं करेगा। सभी का टाइम होता है और सभी अपने आप ढूंढ के रखता है। It's just that you need to meet the right person. Just by doing marriage in haste and taking a hasty decision, they may just spoil somebody's life. So just relax, wait for the right time. Let's see the other caller. Next caller, please. Rosie. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Rosie. Thank you for waiting.
Hello, it's okay.
Yeah. Tell me, Rosie.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. You can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello, I'm just phoning in about me and my husband are not getting on very well.
Okay. So can I know what is the problem? I mean, is it, how many years of marriage is it?
Sorry, what did you say?
How many years of marriage is it?
We've been married about 28 years, I think.
Sorry?
28 years.
20 years of marriage. Okay, and can you choose one card, please, in between 1 to 79?
7.
7. Yeah, please hold. 7. All right. This is your card. All right. Is there by any chance that any of your partner is looking out for another person in the life?
It could be. I'm not sure. He married before he married me in his own country, Pakistan, and I think he's got family from them. So the past few years it's been hellish, and my own children, are very distressed, and I don't even know what's going to happen in the end. There's a problem in the land that he's trying to get as well from my inheritance, but we're not getting anywhere.
You have not seen any lawyers so far, right?
We have, yeah. We're in contact with a lawyer abroad all the time. He is all the time.
Because honestly, I can just see that there is no breakup happening at this moment. But there are certain things which is actually, I would say, not a very healthy sign in a relationship.
No, there is no relationship.
Yeah.
I'm there for my own children because they're older and I want to get them married. If you tell me second thing is, I want to see if my 2 older ones will get married.
Yeah.
But tell me about my husband first because I'm very puzzled.
Sure. Rosie, just a moment, please hold the line. Yeah. दर्शकों अभी एक ब्रेक का समय छोटा सा आ गया है, so please be there, please wait for your turn and we'll meet you very soon. Thank you so much.